splash. My camera.
I was trying to like get water stuff.
Guys, I don't see any fighting going on.
I think my guys are like, you can't do that. You never said you can't do that. Oh, now come on.
Don't.
There's no way. Hey, you said you're holding on. Still on.
Simon says stand up.
I need that hook first. Whoever gets on first wins.
Jenny, don't you dare.
Go! You didn't even do it right. You're saying like this all the time.
All right, we'll get back to you after these messages.